Cheap used cars usually come with a warning. Low price often means hidden problems, weak engines, warning lights, and repair bills that quickly cost more than the car itself. That reputation exists for a reason, but it is not the full story. Some cheap cars are genuinely reliable. They keep going year after year, cover huge mileages, and save owners thousands in avoided repairs. These are not exciting cars. They are not trendy, but they work. And if reliability matters more than image, these are the cars you should not ignore. The used car market is full of so-called bargains that turn into money pits. Many modern cars are cheap because they are complex, poorly maintained, or built around fragile engines and gearboxes. In this video, we focus on something different. These are simple petrol cars with proven track records, cars that mechanics trust, owners keep for years, and buyers rarely regret. Price matters, but long-term ownership matters more. This list focuses on everyday cars that are easy to live with, affordable to maintain, and known for lasting far longer than expected.
Number 9. Toyota Auris. The Toyota Auris never had the popularity of the Corolla, and that is exactly why it is such a strong used buy. Behind the plain design is classic Toyota engineering. The 1.6 petrol engine is smooth, quiet, and extremely durable. It feels relaxed rather than fast, but it suits daily driving well. Inside, the cabin is simple and functional. Materials are not exciting, but everything feels solid and wears well over time. Space is decent for a small family, with a practical boot and comfortable rear seats. Ownership is where the Auris shines. Parts are cheap, servicing is straightforward, and serious mechanical failures are rare. Prices often sit below £3,000, making it one of the safest cheap buys on the market. The weakness is image and excitement. It feels dull, but that dullness is the reason it lasts. Number 8. Honda Jazz. The Honda Jazz looks small, but it is one of the most cleverly designed cars on the road. The driving experience is calm and easy with light steering and good visibility. It's not sporty, but it's stress-free. The interior is where the Jazz surprises most people. The seating layout is incredibly flexible, and space rivals much larger cars. Build quality is excellent, with controls that still feel solid after years of use. The 1.4 petrol engine is famously reliable, with many examples reaching well beyond 200,000 miles. Ownership costs are low and breakdowns are rare. Weaknesses include road noise at higher speeds and a design that some buyers find boring. But for reliability and practicality, the Jazz is outstanding value. Number 7. Mazda 3. The Mazda 3 is often overlooked, but it is one of the best balanced cars on this list. It drives better than most rivals, with sharp steering and a comfortable but controlled ride. The 2.0 petrol engine is smooth and responsive without relying on turbocharging. Inside, the layout is clean and driver-focused, and later models feel surprisingly premium. Space is reasonable for a hatchback, though rear legroom is not class-leading. Reliability is excellent, with very few serious engine or gearbox issues reported. Rust can be a concern on older cars, so inspection matters. Prices are usually lower than equivalent Volkswagen or Ford models, making the Mazda 3 a smart and enjoyable choice. Number 6. Ford Focus, older petrol. The Ford Focus is everywhere, but not all versions are equal. The older 1.6 naturally aspirated petrol models are the ones to buy. They offer balanced handling, good comfort, and predictable driving manners. Interiors are basic but practical, with plenty of space for passengers and luggage. Ownership costs are low thanks to huge parts availability. These engines are simple and long-lasting when serviced properly. The downside is age. Many examples have high mileage, so service history is critical. Avoid later turbo petrol engines, and the Focus becomes one of the toughest cheap cars available. Number 5. Hyundai i30. The Hyundai i30 is a quiet success story. It drives smoothly, prioritizing comfort over excitement. The interior is straightforward, with clear controls and good ergonomics. Space is generous for a hatchback, making it suitable for families. The 1.6 petrol engine is known for durability and low failure rates. Many cars benefited from long factory warranties, which encouraged good maintenance. Running costs are low and MOT records are strong. The weakness is character. It lacks excitement and premium feel, but as a dependable daily car, the i30 is extremely hard to fault. Number 4. Skoda Fabia. The Skoda Fabia focuses on function over flair. The 1.2 MPI petrol engine is one of the simplest engines you can buy. Driving is easy and predictable, with good ride comfort for a small car. Interiors are basic but robust, with controls that last. Space is practical for its size, and the boot is competitive. Ownership is where the Fabia excels. Parts are cheap, repairs are simple, and reliability is excellent. It's not fast or exciting, but it rarely breaks. That is the entire point. Number 1. Toyota Yaris. The Toyota Yaris earns its reputation honestly. It's easy to drive, comfortable in the city, and surprisingly refined at speed. The 1.3 petrol engine is exceptionally durable and smooth. Interiors are simple but long-lasting, and everything feels well assembled. Space is decent for a small car, and visibility is excellent. Ownership costs are low, reliability is outstanding, and MOT results are consistently strong. The weakness is excitement, but for buyers who want worry-free motoring, the Yaris is one of the best cheap cars ever built.
The most important lesson is simple. Reliability comes from simplicity. Naturally aspirated petrol engines, proven platforms, and conservative engineering outperform complex modern alternatives over time. These cars succeed because they avoid unnecessary technology and focus on durability. The best choice depends on your needs. Small cars suit city drivers, hatchbacks suit families, but the formula remains the same. Simple engines, strong service history, and realistic expectations deliver the best long-term value. How we choose the best. Our evaluation focuses on long-term ownership, not first impressions. We prioritize engine reliability, maintenance costs, real-world durability, and how these cars perform after years of use. Comfort, practicality, and ease of ownership matter more than performance or image. A good cheap car is one you forget about because it never causes problems. FAQs. Are cheap cars always unreliable? No. Many are cheap because of image, age, or lack of demand, not because they are poorly built. Should I avoid turbo engines on a budget? In most cases, yes. Older, naturally aspirated engines tend to be more reliable and cheaper to repair. Is mileage more important than service history? Service history matters more. A well-maintained, high-mileage car is often safer than a neglected low-mileage one. Which brand is the most reliable overall? Toyota and Honda consistently perform well, but individual models matter more than badges. Cheap does not have to be risky. These 9 cars prove that dependable motoring is still possible on a tight budget. If reliability matters more than looks, these are some of the smartest choices you can make. If this guide helped you avoid a bad buy, like the video, share it with someone car shopping, and subscribe to Car Guide Hub for clear, honest automotive advice. Smart choices today mean fewer headaches tomorrow.